you on it.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the second one now. Get you right. So it looks like I'm coming at you. And I grab you.
Okay, okay, okay.
So some of them actually do not that fast. Yeah.
Okay, do it slow first.
Coming at you. Coming at you.
No, okay.
Actually, do something.
Yeah, do something.
Oh, do something? You sure? Do something?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Just do it anyway.
Alright, just do it anyway. Stop being afraid.
Catherine, he's not gonna hurt you.
Okay.
I won't hurt you. I won't.
Oh my gosh! I'm a girl!
I didn't hurt you though. There you go.
You like need me right here.
I didn't need you. I just put my. I'm gonna show you. Relax.
Okay, okay,
I
okay,
just
okay.
grabbed you by the arm and took your knee out and you fell. Now, try it on me. You see me?
Okay, I'll try it on you.
Okay.
How did I do it?
First one. No, the first one you try to grab me, but since you can't lift me up, all of you can. But since you can't lift me up, just
I can lift you up.
No, never mind. Don't do that.
Don't kill her dog.
Since you can't lift me up, just tackle me in a way that can push your force
Okay.
down. That way I can fall back.